I'm going to show you how to change the Microsoft Store download location. This is ideal if you want to change the default drive when installing new applications. So the first thing you need to do is head on down to the bottom and open your search bar and search for storage settings, and then click that. Once here, scroll all the way down until you see advanced storage settings, and then under here, click where new content is saved. As you can see, we now have the option to change where new apps will save, as well as other things like documents and music. So just hit the drop down menu and you'll be able to see all of your other drives. I personally only have a C drive, so I don't have any other options. But if you have more than one drive, you will see them listed here. However, if you'd like to move an application that you've already installed on your computer, go to the search bar again and search for add or remove programs, and then find the application that you wish to move. So let's say that we want to move Microsoft Teams. You click the three dots to the right, and then you select this grayed out move button. It's grayed out for me because I don't have another drive, as I explained earlier. But if you have another drive that's usable, this won't be grayed out. It's important to note as well that only applications that are actually installed or can be installed via the Microsoft Store will have this move option. If we click another application, so let's choose BlueStacks and we press the three dots, we do not have the move option.